Hello, this film's all about academic writing. When you're writing in a UK university, you'll be asked to write in third person past tense. Not sure what that means? Let me explain. So here we are, academic writing. You need to write in third person past tense. So what does tense mean? Well, tense is a noun. There's the pronunciation of it, tense. This is actually the form of a verb that shows the time at which an action happened. So, for example, I sang is in the past tense. It's happened before now. I sing is written in the present tense. I am now singing. I will sing is going to happen in the future. So this is in the future tense. So what is first, second, or third person? Well, this is what we call the point of view. So it's whether you're using words like I, we, you, or he or she. So to be clear, the first person is the I or the we perspective. So I went shopping. The second person is when you're talking about another person. So it is the you perspective. And the third person is kind of like medical or scientific writing when you're using words like he, she, it, or they in that perspective, third person. So for academic writing, you need to use the third person. Let me give you some examples of these different points of view. So in the first person, you use words like I, me, why, mine, myself, we, our, ours, or ourselves. In the second person point of view, you would use you or your, yours or yourself. But in academic English, especially in the science and maths areas, you are required to use third person. So that is she, her, hers, herself, he, him, his, himself, they, them, themselves, their, or theirs. So third person is not when you talk about yourself, myself, I, or me, or you, or yours, or yourself. It's when you use those words in the third person points of view. He, her, or they. So here's an example. I've written this in first person. So through my analysis of the data, I discovered a significant correlation between increased carbon dioxide levels and rising global temperatures. This finding aligns with the existing scientific consensus on climate change. If I was to rewrite the same article, but in second person, instead of I, me, and those sort of words, I would write, in your analysis of the data, you discovered a significant correlation between increased carbon dioxide levels and rising global temperatures. This finding aligns with the existing scientific consensus on climate change. Now, if we were to write that in third person, same thing, but in third person, it would be something like this. The researchers' analysis of the data revealed a strong correlation between elevated carbon dioxide levels and increasing global temperatures, supporting the established scientific consensus on climate change.